Halloween home decor inspiration. Weatherford, Texas. Weichert Realtors team. Realty. As the spooky season approaches, our excitement for Halloween grows, igniting a desire to spruce up our homes with delightful decor and eerie ambience. From bewitching front yard displays to haunted bedrooms, there are countless opportunities to get creative and embrace the ghostly spirit. Mummies, pumpkins, and tombstone displays can add an extra touch of frightful delight to create a chilling ambience. To create a spooktacular bedroom, start by changing your bedding to Halloween-themed sheets, pillowcases, or a cozy comforter adorned with ghosts, witches, or black cats. Besides readily available options, engaging in some DIY projects allows you to customize your Halloween bedroom decor according to your personal spooky preferences. From transforming your front yard into a haunted spectacle to curating a spooky atmosphere within your bedroom, the possibilities are endless. Whether you opt for store-bought decor or unleash your creativity through DIY projects, celebrating Halloween in Weatherford promises a frightfully fun experience for all.